Okay. So let's get back here to 220. Forget about 201 for now. Okay, so we were discussing again JavaFX and how to start building our interface, stage, scene, pane, and lots of nodes. And I think we stopped it last time talking about the flow pane, right? So in general, we covered pane, which is the general type, and the flow pane. Today we're covering the rest of these pane types. And we will start here with the H-box. We said H-box or horizontal box makes it possible for you to list all the nodes in a maximum of
One row.
One row. Horizontal, right? That's how it goes. Now, how many constructor, how many methods do you see here?
Two constructors.
Two constructors, perfect. And two methods. And again, these two are quite common. You will see them in at least 4 or 5 different types of things. Okay? And here we have add and add all. This is for one item. This could take one item or more. Yes? And this one here has a single space type, which is what?
The gap.
Which gap?
The horizontal gap.
Excellent. Very good. We have two types of gaps, if you remember, H gap and V gap. When talking about H box, it's only the H gap here, which is this one. Yes?
Yes.
What's an example? How many objects do we see?
3.
3 labels. What is the type of pane here?
What label? What's the type of it?
What is the pane type?
Horizontal.
I don't think.
The pane type.
Box
I don't
pane.
think we can.
Horizontal.
H
H
box.
box.
All right. Now we do here add label 1, 2, 3, right? Using the add one by one. So this ends up with 3 statements. We can still do it in a shortcut statement.
Add all.
Add all, exactly. We say label 1, comma,
Label
label
2.
2,
Comma, label 3.
Excellent. Okay.
So here in H box, we created the pane.
Okay, here.
This
H,
should-
oh, okay. No, there is pane, there is H box. So remember we said pane last time, right? Pane is the most general form. Doesn't have any special styling. So it goes for default. Okay? If we want to customize this more, we go, let's say, for H box. Okay? So H box enforces this pane to be one row. Yes? If I decide to make it V box, then I'm enforcing this pane to be
One column.
one column, exactly, and so on. Okay. Here I can say, what is that space here?
The H gap.
Can you give me a number? This one?
30.
30 pixels, excellent. This one? 200, excellent. This one?
70.
Well done. Okay. Don't forget the show statement. That makes it possible to visualize this on our interface. Now, if this is total 200 and these two are almost 60 pixels taken only for spaces, then the remaining 140 pixels are those utilized for the contents. Yes? And that's why you might notice here that it wasn't enough to show the entire text. So here it says number 1, number 2, number 3, right? If I try expanding the size of this interface, the text will appear. But since you're enforcing it entirely to show in one line, it has to be truncated as
Like if
before.
it's 500 pixels overall, it would show.
Absolutely, yes. Okay. Now, VBox is the same, but as we mentioned, it goes for maximum of
One column.
column, exactly. So one column maximum. That's right. Again, two constructors and
Two methods.
two methods, same one, no change. Yes?
Yeah.
And this one has which space?
Vertical spacing.
The V gap, exactly.
Vertical.
Yes?
All of the paints have the same methods. Get
Most
children
of it.
mad and get
Like
children
4 or 5 types. Like so far we've seen it in paint, right?
Yeah.
With H-box.
Also flow.
Which one? Flow as well. Excellent. And you will see it also in stack paint. And few other types. Border is different, grid is different. What else do we have?
They all have
There are other types later we'll see,
spacing
like
between
stone. Yes, you can control the space for most of them. Like grid, you can control it. H-box, V-box, stack no,
flow. Yeah.
because it's obviously layers, so you can't really control spaces. But you can control margins and patterns. We'll take this later. Okay, same exact example. No change except instead of H-box, I made it
V-box.
V-box. Now what do you expect?
Vertical.
Vertical.
Horizontal.
It will look like this, right?
Yeah.
If this was 50, what's gonna happen?
The text won't show.
Yeah.
Right.
So it might only show
Label number 1.
till here, right?
Ah.
Then to visualize the rest, it's either you expand or you add
Another.
scroll bar. We'll take this later. Yes? Yes. Which one? This one? This one? Okay, so we said what's our hierarchy of attachment? We attach nodes, which in our case are 3 labels. Where do we add them? 2. V-box, right? Then our V-box is attached to
Scene.
the scene. Then our scene is attached to
Stage.
stage. Yes? So this statement attaches the node to the V-box. Node to V-box. Node to V-box. Okay. Now this V-box is attached to the scene, and our scene is attached to stage. Then we display the stage. Make sense?
Yes.
In the main method, it's always only launch arcs.
Again?
In the main method, we only put launch arcs. We don't find.
You can put launch args and main method. Yes, it's usually the only statement that we have here.
We don't put anything else.
And it doesn't matter where you place the main method, whether on top of your program or at the very end, it will not first after all. Okay. Now let's jump to the interesting part. We have stack pane, which is layers on top of each other. And again, we use the same exact methods, no change. 2 constructors of the same name type. We can do it in a shortcut. So you create one, you attach all items in a row, part of this constructor, or you can use the get children.add and add all to do it in separate steps, if you decide to go with this one. Yes?
Yeah.
Okay. Like.
Oh my god.
Question. A question. +1 on mid 1. Okay? So what is the difference between, yes, no phones. No phones. We don't use phones.
Okay.
It's all in memory, okay? So, what is the difference between stack pane and pane?
Stack pane is last in, first out. That runs.
Stack pane is based on the memory. It uses this.
I mean output-wise.
In the middle. In the middle, it becomes the output becomes the middle.
Guys, do you see that? It's in middle.
Yeah, which
So here, when you use stack pane, the output is usually in the center by default. Pane top left.
طب إذا بخليها على الرايت.
Then this is extra step. But I mean default. Default wise, this comes in center, the other one comes top left. Thank you. What?
شاهدة.
Oh my god, no.
Shaden?
Yes.
Yes, Shaden.
Right, please. Shaden.
أصلا الوش doesn't
Give me
take
the
to
full
20
name.
finally. You're good.
Shaden.
I think you're the only one.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Shaden. Plus.
Midterm.
I forgot. Tell me, check your WhatsApp. Okay?
Of course.
And for the guys, it was school. Right. It was anger. Okay. Yeah, fair.
شو ركبت ولا فيك؟ شو ركبت ولا عادي؟
Okay. So this is one code here. We have the same exact coding statements. We just create our frame type. We attach to it our anonymous label. And we attach our pane to our scene to our stage. We display the stage. So again, this comes here in the center. So far, we don't see a point of using a stack pane because it comes in layers. So it makes sense to have it more than one item, not just one.
when you said no washed.
So let's start seeing it with two elements. Can you tell which one comes in the bottom? Which one in the bottom, which one on top?
The one label one is the one on the bottom.
Excellent. So this one in the bottom, and this one in?
Top.
This one on top, exactly.
Why?
You're good with chess?
Yeah.
That's nice.
Good? Okay,
Used
like,
to
tell
be.
me, the board is what by what?
X and Y?
8 by 8.
Dimensions. 8 by? 8 by 8. Okay. What? Taif, tell me, how do we start labeling them? Like into the array?
Start with the number.
0 all the way to 7, and this one?
Same thing.
Same thing. Perfect. Taif, can you tell me the location of this? Of this
Zero,
item?
0, 0, 1.
Okay. This one?
0, 5, 5.
This one?
1,
1,
3.
One what?
3.
Excellent. It's the same concept here.
Yeah.
Great things, except we swap these two. So we start with the column, then row. Okay? But let's try again.
Because you start with the letters and stuff, right?
No, forget about letters. Like we don't have. It's not the idea. I mean, it's the same good idea.
For what?
Stack.
So we can create table-like structure. That's great thing. Okay.
Oh.
So we can compare 2D to what we know already in Great Plains, but again, keep in mind, we start with the column, then the row, okay? Now I'll give you indices, and I need you to tell me the exact location, okay? No, I'll write it down. Indices. Okay. You just use another color? Okay. Tell me the location of that one.
2, 3.
3.
2, 3?
Yeah.
Perfect. Now tell me, okay, let me pick. The lady in green, what's your name? Jude, yalla, tell me, what is that one?
5, 2.
Excellent, very good. 5, 2, okay. Lady in the back row. Second lady, yes. Tell me what is that location? 0?
Yeah.
Yes, 0, 6, excellent. Very good. Okay, first lady here. Yes. Can you tell me what is that one?
0, 5.
0, 6?
No, 6 and 6.
6, 6, okay. Like Noura,
That's fine.
tell me
Is
where
that
is
0,
that?
5?
0,
Yeah.
5, 0, 6, 6, 6,
0,
5.
5.
0, 5.
The one
That's
before.
6.
No, no, the one
On the
before.
left.
Aywa.
This one.
This one.
The
0,
one at
5.
the 3. The first column.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Aywa.
0, 5.
0, 5?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, that's fine.
حتى هاي 6 5 not 6 6
6 5.
أيوة.
Okay. تمام.
مهم.
يلا نورا. Tell me where is the queen?
4 7.
4. Excellent. 4 7. Well done. Okay, keep it in mind, okay? Well, let's see this. It's a bit different. Let's see how it goes. So we have here our constructor. We don't have here get children that add or add all. We replace this with 3 statements. Add column, add row. So what is the add? We use the name of the item, followed by the column index, followed by row index. For the add column, and assuming we start from default row number,
0.
excellent. We start with the column index, followed by all list of items. Add row, again we assume we start with default column of,
0.
then we start filling it in this index, item by another. Again, this is capital C, capital R. That's it. Yes?
Yes.
Okay, now let's look at these 5. So we have set row index, set column index. We call back again setters from SE120. So this is what? Updating mostly, right? So this is what we create the first time, but this is how we can update it later on. So here we say, okay, this item will move to this new row index or location. This item will move to this new column location. Now, what do we assume the row or the column is? Same, no change.
Okay.
So here, the column will stay the same. Only the row will change.
Oh, okay.
This one, the column will change, but the row will stay the same. We can still use the set H gap and V gap to simply work with the H gap and the vertical gap. And same for this one. We don't see the lines separating your table unless you use this method and you pass it one of 2 values, either true or
False.
false. So if you set it to true, it means the lines will be visible. If you set it to false, it means you cannot see it. And default is
True.
false.
Look cute.
Okay.
بس focus on
This is the same just for indexing. Okay. I need someone to try this. Can you tell me the maximum number of rows and columns?
1
2 columns. 2 and 3.
according to the page.
2 columns and 3 rows.
Yeah.
3 2.
2
And I'll
columns.
type all of that.
Okay.
3 2. Who's saying 3 2? Give me name.
3.
Give me name.
Who said?
Who said 3 by 2?
No, I said 2 by 3.
Type 2 by 3. Who's saying that? Seema.
Shahad.
Shahid or Seema?
No, like multiple.
Yeah.
Multiple,
People
okay.
Yeah.
What's hard? Okay, other suggestions?
According to the page. According to the side of the page.
According to
The size of the page.
the side of the page.
The staging. Wait, what was the question?
Okay, I want to know the maximum number of rows and columns in this group. 3 rows, what? 3 rows, 2 columns. That's Jude.
Okay, wait.
What
Wait.
else? Other options?
Yeah, wait.
Wait,
None of you is even close.
one more minute. One more minute. One more minute.
0 0.
No.
Is there a 6?
There's 6 labels.
There are 6 labels.
That's close. Don't try to. Guys.
One more minute. One more minute. One more minute. One more minute.
What's your question again?
How many row? How many column do we have? For
No
this?
rows.
0.
No rows. No.
1 and 1. 1 1. 1 1. خلاص اسفه.
We didn't. I have answered.
I'm excluding these answers. I'm not gonna write them.
We. Okay. we didn't set the show.
So guys, observe it for 1 minute.
Okay.
1 minute.
Okay.
Complete silence. Just read it.
Three by
It's
three.
one table. It's one table. You need to tell how big is your table? How many row? How many columns? That's the question.
One row, one column. 6, 5. No,
One by
one,
3.
5, 6.
You have this option 2 by 3 and 3 by 2. You have other numbers? Let me know.
1 to 6.
It's not guessing. It's not guessing.
4
You're
and
saying
2.
2 6?
Oh, it's 3
You're
and
saying
4.
2 6. Okay. What else?
قربت هي.
It's 3 and 4.
Nora, from where did you get 6?
I'm listing what you're saying.
3 and 8.
2, 3, 4, 5.
3 and 8.
Yeah.
That's a record. Okay. 3 by 8.
I'm being stupid.
Your name?
Layla.
Layla.
I think
No,
4
no,
and
guys, we're not saying anyone here is stupid. This is not the case. I want you to understand, okay?
No, I mean 4. 4.
6.
4 by 8.
4 by 8. Okay. Okay, yeah. come.
لحظة لحظة.
It's okay. It's better to see this now. I don't want to see it in the example.
Okay.
Okay. ولا واحدة. That's what that's the only right answer. Yeah, okay.
0, 0.
What
طب مين
is
مين
zero?
أقرب شيء؟
Zero معناها it's not there.
يا دكتور مين أقرب شيء؟ مين أقرب شيء؟
How to know? طيب.
لا مين أقرب شيء؟
Can you give us a hint
What's
and
the
not the
closest?
answer?
Noura. Who's the closest?
Okay, so 6.
Hmm?
6
Can
is
you give us
there.
a hint and not the answer? Can you give us a hint on how to find it? Without, with,
I said
I'll give you a hint.
Oh,
Wait,
yeah,
hold on. Okay. We said the first index indicates what?
columns.
Columns. The second indicates what?
Rows.
Rows.
Now look at the maximum CUC.
Yes. 9.
1.
أمزح. 6.
6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6.
2.
6, 6.
Hold on.
2 is the maximum. 2.
There's
3.
2.
What is the maximum number you
Four.
see for the column?
2.
2.
0,
1.
2,
3. 2.
5, 5, 5.
maximum is
Two.
2. Nice.
Okay.
And here, maximum 3.
3.
So this is what?
2 by 3.
2 by 3 يعطينا 6.
We start with which index?
Give me a
So 1,
So this makes it what?
1 by 2. بمزح.
What are you
So this
saying?
is 2 by 3. صح? We start from which index?
0, 0, 0, 4.
What do you mean?
0, 6.
Which index?
Okay guys, we reached the maximum number of column which is 2.
Yeah.
Maximum number of rows we reached was 3.
Yes.
We start with
3, 4.
index
0.
0.
Yeah.
What
So
is that?
0, 1, 2.
Yes.
That's
So
column.
3, 4.
Okay.
And here 0, 1, 2.
3.
This is matrix. That's
3 by 4.
3 by 4.
3 by 4. Right?
يعطينا 12 وأنا
I think just the closest.
Doctor,
You know how to read it now?
I still don't understand.
صراحة Noura takes half.
I still don't I still don't understand.
Again, fine, let me change the numbers. You tell me.
You got this, Nora.
So it was 2 and 3.
Okay, if you want to know it exactly, you may need to draw it. Okay? So here, if I said I have element label 1 goes into position 0, 0. I'll just put random numbers, okay? Regardless. I don't know how many yet. Okay? I assume it's 5 by 5. 0, 0 goes for L1.
Yeah.
0, 2 goes for,
L3.
let's start with label 2, sorry. 0, 1 goes for label 2. So 0, 1, label 2. Yes?
Yeah.
Label 3, 0, 2. So this is label 3. Yeah? And label 4, 1, 1. So
One.
here. Yes?
Yeah.
Label 5, 2.
2, 1.
Sorry. Okay. Label 5, what? 2,
1.
1. Yes?
Yeah.
Label 6 here is 1
One.
by 3. 1, 3. Label 6. How many is this grid? That's utilized.
4.
3 by
So
16?
0, 1, 2. This is how many rows? How many columns, sorry?
3.
3 columns. Yes?
How many?
How many rows?
4.
That's been filled. 1, 2, 3,
4.
4. So this is
4.
4 by 3. This is the hardest way to do it. Again, I don't expect you to draw it just to know its dimensions. So you just need to go here and see, okay, this is column. So I have value 0, I have value 2, I have value
1.
1. So the maximum value here is
2.
column number
5.
2.
2
Column number 2.
and then increase it
ليش
by
مش
1
5 I mean?
and then
Okay, so column number 2 means I have column 0 and column 1. So this makes it 3 columns.
أيوة.
Now for rows, I have 0, 1, 2, 3. Yes? So 0, 1, 2, 3, which indicates 4 rows. Easy now?
Yeah, a little bit.
A bit tricky, but easy. Okay. Do we have questions on today's session? Three by
ربطت الدور
3 columns, 4 rows.
أصلا
Yes? Clear now? Yeah?
yes
All good?
yes
I'll ask you next time. It's going to be after a week. And you get a bonus for the midterm.
اوكي
Okay?
هلا في نور اخذت بونص نص
Nura أخذت bonus.
وشادر.
Nura أخذت bonus. لا. Next time.
We should get bonuses for trial.
بس انا اخذت زمان بونص بحسبوه معي كمان بالمتر اخذت من زمان بونص بحسب
Yes,
المتر
yes. Again, if I forget, just remind me, okay? Usually I write it down, but if I forget, please remind me. طيب.
في recordings هون كمان دليل
Bypassing.
اخذ فيك
طيب.
وانا عندي I don't usually crop the parts فبتلاقي كل شيء موجود
Guys, for the quiz, I need your opinions.
is it open book or no?
And I don't mind, I can make it any of these options. It's
But
okay.
what if the boys want cheat sheet? What if the boys want?
لا بس دكتور you have to specify the cheat sheet بس ترى بكل اسبوع يعني أخاف يختارون they think it's the same thing.
Just for one quiz.
طيب, يعني anyway, if we go for a cheat sheet, it has to be limited. Okay, and you will have to provide the, you will have to submit it with the exam. So if this was like beyond what's requested, this is gonna, it might affect the grade. Okay.
خلاص.
So anyway,
Never mind.
cheat sheet.
Yeah, no need.
I'll be telling you. So I'll be telling you the length of that cheat sheet, like the content, like how many notes you can add.
خلاص never mind.
It's gonna be you should focus on things that you're confused about, not everything.
دكتور
احس it's better
شو gonna say? Are we done?